Okay, we just learned that if you are lost in the rainforest or somewhere and you are hungry, you need to find some food. If you find a termite mound, you can eat termites. We've got a driver over here driving us from San Jose to La Fortuna.
Yes.
This is a nice 2.5 to 3 hour drive. We're seeing some really nice topography, lots of changes, different colors. The road's not too bad. How's the driving experience?
Pretty good, no traffic. We left really nice and early, so we avoided some of the traffic in San Jose, and so far it's been really smooth. Once I get out of the city, now it's just been the same highway the whole time.
Yeah, there's been a lot of changes. We've seen a lot of heavy machinery, some big trucks, a few junkyards along the side of the road, and a lot of farming stuff. We found a crop. Did we ever find out what the crop was?
No, not yet. This looks different.
Just one of the many exports here in Costa Rica, which, thanks to Patrick, we found out one of their biggest exports, computer circuitry?
No, medical equipment.
Medical equipment.
And then computer second.
Computer circuitry is second, so.
A lot of things that you would never think that Costa Rica is known for. We've seen a lot of tech companies, buildings, right?
Yeah, we saw a fairly large Microsoft office. There was a...
Citrix.
Yep. There was an Amazon.
I feel like we've seen a couple of Amazon buildings. That Smart Fit was really big by our hotel.
Yep. So we've got about 2 hours left in this ride. We may stop for some coffee along the way, but we're headed to La Fortuna. Well, it was a long car ride, but we made it. This one got us here safely.
Yes, that was such a cool experience. At one point, everybody fell asleep but me. And
Out.
we were driving through the clouds. It was the most interesting experience. I could barely see like 5 feet in front of me. It was really cool. It started raining. And it was one lane on each side, so really you could only pass if you could see. So that was a tough area. So
Yeah.
it was a good 3 hours after that.
Yeah. But here we are in La Fortuna,
Yes.
Costa Rica, and we are staying at the Selina. This is just the front, but it's kind of like a digital nomad
Like
shared
hostel,
space
hotel.
type thing, but I'm certain we booked a private room.
Oh, we most certainly did. Otherwise,
We'll have to show you later. But check-in isn't until 3. Now before that, we have a tour to go see the sloths. That's at 12.
Los osos perezosos.
Okay, so that's at 12. So for now, we're just gonna roam around a bit, see what we can find, go to any shops, whatever it is. So let's check out La Fortuna a little bit before we go on our tour.
Yeah.
This in front of us is one of the main roads here.
Yes.
So this is their like downtown area, and there's some shops, coffee places, a lot of tourist guides, so you can book tours. The one we're doing is the Sloth, but they also have zip lining, water rafting, volcano hiking.
ATVs.
Yeah.
There's tours for the waterfalls, the hanging bridges.
Yeah,
So
quite a
everything that
bit.
you can think of to do here in La Fortuna, they have a tour for.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's something for everybody.
pura vida.
But I was just saying the La Pura Vida. That's something you'll find in all the Costa Rican travel vlogs.
Yeah.
Why? What is this?
I
What
mean,
is this phrase?
it's a way of life, right? It's that like chill, like live life. Pure life is what it translates to directly.
Okay.
Oh, look, we found the park.
Oh, okay.
Cute.
That's
yeah, let's go
nice.
check that out. Anybody want a hammock to purchase for their backyard?
Oh, a water bike. Oh gosh, we did a water bike in Jamaica and
That was not easy.
it was painful.
Live music.
Yeah, so
Look at
this
this.
area, there's a lot of hotels, there's a lot of accommodations for tourists.
Yeah, souvenirs.
Seems clean, safe.
Maybe you want to come and rent a little motorbike. Check out everything that way. You want to check out the park or stores first?
Yeah.
Everybody wait for us.
The main square is a park, and as you roll up on it, it's quite colorful.
Everything just seems super chill here.
A lot of seating areas, huh?
Yes. And the weather, it's kind of funny. Like, it's not hot, it's not cold, it's a little humid. Time for the jacket to come off.
Definitely hot. Patrick has already taken off his sweater and providing a show.
Wow, yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do here. Is that on the list? But I don't think so.
All right, so first impressions so far of Costa Rica.
It's very chill. I love how relaxed everything is. The weather, still questionable. I absolutely love how stunning all of the greens, the colors. It's all the shades of green, and then all of a sudden you'll see like pops of red or pink from the flowers, and just hearing the little birdies. Gosh, that to me is what makes it so special.
They are. First impressions.
Very relaxing. Like Maria, I love the green, the nature, and all the different colors in the plants, and trying to figure out what is that fruit, what's that growing there. There's still some we're trying to figure out.
Sometimes you just got to try it, right?
Right, gotta try it.
What about you, Patrick? What say you?
Love the people, the culture. It's relaxing. Food is awesome.
Food has been pretty good.
Yeah, really good. And I like it. Really nice. Interested in going on the tours today.
Yeah.
What do you think? What are your first impressions?
It's Central America vibey.
Yeah,
I mean, it
absolutely.
really is. It's hard to describe it until you come down to one of these countries in Central America and see for yourself. But it's very similar to what a lot of people think of like island life, but maybe a little bit more purposeful, not as relaxed and chill, but still.
Well, because the purpose of coming here is definitely to be outdoorsy, be one with nature, and explore that adrenaline that you may have with a burning desire to do activity.
Right. And I'm not the outdoorsy type, but a lot of trends you'll see in these areas is, you know, especially with rainforests and such, is going out to the tours and seeing different animals or habitats.
Ecotourism.
Ecotourism. Wow. What ecotourism. There's that. The food is always really great around here.
Alicia has found her postcards. Whitewater rafting. I mean, I'm telling you, like anything you want to do, and it looks like church is in session. You can also fulfill your spiritual side as well while you're here.
Yeah. Much like the drive here where we experienced maybe 3 different type of weather patterns. The weather is, it started raining a bit, and you can see it's cloudy and gray now, but
and
it's not
you
bad.
can kind of see the volcano. I don't know if like this is the right direction, but I see mountains that way.
Oh yeah, we'll have to
Right?
check back on those when we get
Yeah.
closer to those areas. But overall, I mean, I've always heard people talk about Costa Rica, and we had to come down to check it out for ourselves.
Yeah, this is cool. I'm really enjoying it. We just visited a chocolate shop that was delicious. They have so many different, what do you call those?
Yeah.
Truffles?
Yeah, I mean, all these countries, Central America and then like Northern South America, coffee, chocolates, and
I'm all hopped up on caffeine right now.
this one had way too many coffees. I had 1 Red Bull and 2 coffees, but she had like 3 coffees,
And
and
I
she
had some of
normally
your Red
drinks
Bull.
none. So,
And your Red Bull on the drive.
so talk about jitters. I guess we're not traveling with no jitters today. Yes, this is a sloth, but not the sloth. We are going to find sloths.
I want to find one. So we can hold it, you guys, so you won't see me holding the sloth, but I definitely want to spot the sloth.
Sloth washing trail.
And FYI, there's tons of companies that do these here. So if one of your goals is to come watch out for sloths, ask around and see which one is best. We found a really good price for this one.
There's a 100% guarantee that you will find a sloth. That's what the sign says. That's what I'm going with.
All right, all right.
Oh, we're getting some wristband action.
Mucho gusto. ¿De dónde vienes?
De Estados Unidos.
Estado.
Florida.
Bueno.
¿Está bien si firmamos?
No, no tiene que... Ah, sí, que firme adentro, sí. Entendí, firmar y firmar. Ok, perfecto.
Por bote al español.
Lo voy a hacer su día.
Are we supposed to be seeing the sloths yet? Nope.
Okay. Have a question. All of you speak English? Yes. Okay, for a start.
These are the 2 types of sloths that you can find here. 2-toed sloth and a 3-toed sloth. I'm going to assume that one of them has 2 toes and the other one maybe has
4? No, 3?
Yeah.
3.
We're also being told that we might see some frogs and some other wildlife. Oh, thank you.
Maria sent me back to make sure you two didn't fall.
Ah, yes. Not I. You guys have never seen me fall in a video before.
Never.
But this guy is a fall risk, so.
Copenhagen? Maybe they should watch that video.
Maybe.
I thought you edited that out.
I added it at the end as with an instant replay.
But
But when you come in, you're in the rainforest. You're seeing it all. So our goal today is to find a sloth and possibly something else. What that something else is, don't know.
You have.
Yes,
Okay.
I have a wristband. I don't. Teacher's pet over there is holding the umbrella.
It's because she speaks the native language. Oh god. Just like flip that on him.
There's a mosquito on the camera. If you guys have ever seen Brooklyn Nine-Nine, MJ is Amy Santiago.
So true. You found one?
Okay, it's not moving. It's very actually for the rain. It's like a little ball and it's very difficult to see. If you want, you can see here. It's a 3-toed sloth, this one.
We've been on this tour for maybe 20 minutes and we've seen 3 sloths already. Here's one that we got a really close shot of.
It's a baby and it's sleeping.
Yeah, look at this guy.
So cute.
Yeah, so now we're heading back, maybe a different path. But
Have you shared that there's 2 types of sloths that we
yes,
can see here?
I explained it.
Yeah.
And did you share that I found the one that was moving?
Not really, but there you go.
Fine, we'll give you credit.
There's the credit. Follow Alicia for more sloth sightings.
Oh, down there.
There's a froggy.
We need to spot some froggies.
Another pro tip when you're on this tour, keep up with your tour guide. We're kind of lost them a little bit. It's okay. We'll catch up eventually. But keep up with your tour guide.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Is it like moving around your tongue?
Yes. I bite.
Did she bite?
Oh,
All right.
we have a challenge issued. We are eating termites in the rainforest. Patrick eats one, then MJ will eat one.
So for
Same
all
time.
Very easy. So just put your fingers
Come on, come on.
and wait.
It's not good for us.
Oh my god, but that's a lot. I just want one.
Yeah, hold one. Hold just one.
Oh, goodness.
Tastes good.
Really?
It's good.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
What does it taste like? Oh, you already ate it?
It's like
Crunchy.
Oh,
yeah, it's crunchy,
You don't really taste anything. It's very like,
minty,
yeah.
or
Yeah.
yeah,
Try it.
like mint.
Yeah, it is. It's been tasty.
Mint mixed with rosemary. Want to try?
All right, thank you.
It's nice.
wow.
Yeah.
That was, what do you think?
Was minty with rosemary.
I think I still have a little bit in my
Oh
tooth.
my god, I hope y'all packed your toothpaste.
You want to give me a kiss?
Survivalist guides here in Costa Rica.
Brush. And
Very,
then...
very nice. Now you have one there in case you lost in the morning.
Right? Now we know.
It's good
Termites.
to know.
I wonder how many
calories is in each termite. Oh, I
Yeah,
bet
right? I think low calorie.
maybe some protein.
All right, we have our termite eater here.
It was delicious. I'm not gonna lie. You should have tried it.
I don't know about that, but if you're in Costa Rica, if you're in La Fortuna, which I think you can do it all around this area, but definitely go check out the sloths. Take the tour. It's a nice nature walk, if anything, but you might see quite a few sloths.
Yeah, like this guy right here. I love it. I can't wait to see more. So you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button.
Keep watching us vlog around Costa Rica and around the world. We'll see you next week.
Bye.